Hello, everyone, and welcome to this new series that I'm doing. It is basically we're going to be going through all of Python. Python is quite different from C, C++, C Sharp, and many of the other different kind of programming languages. But it is used widely in the industries and used for a lot of different AI capabilities. But for now, we're going to start out with like certain variables and so on and so forth. So, for instance, we could just do a print hello world, save it, and then we can do a build, and it will come up hello world. So what we could do now is we can then do a message, which is a variable, which is different because normally you would probably do like a char or a string, but now you would just do hello world the same way, and then you would just pass in message, save it, and then we could do a build, and it will say hello world as well because we passed in a variable. But if we like mess that up and say, oh, that's this, and then we build it, oh, we could just do Control B. See, they're going to give you an error, and sometimes Python can help you with that. In the message in the terminal, it'll say, oh, name message is not defined. So you would go back up and be like, oh, okay, so I missed this. And then we would add this back, and then if we did Control B again, there we go. We could do the same thing with numbers. So if we did 40,000, and then built it, and there we go. So anything that you pass in a number wise or a floating point value, so like I could do like a float. You don't have to do F. I'm just used to that. It'll come out with that floating point value. So with that, those are kind of variables. You can make as many as you need to. For instance, you could probably do like the just and then do hello. And you could print message plus just. Let's make sure that this is there. Control B. See, that won't work because we need to because they're separate variables and invalid syntax. So yeah, so you would have to either do one or the other on there. So that just wouldn't work. And we can definitely do that and figure out on the next one. So if we did a print and then did just here, that would do 40 and then hello. So this is basically the variables and how initially we can set up Python. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you guys like, comment, subscribe, and that would be great. Thanks, guys. Bye.